376 Merrimac Trail Unit 224 is located in Barclay Square, in the city of Williamsburg, just minutes from CW and William and Mary. This condo offers an open concept floor plan with many updates. The parquet floors that begin at the entry and extend through the main living area have been refinished. The galley-style kitchen with white cabinets has been updated to include laminate floors, a new fridge, and an updated hood vent with light. The sunroom adjacent to the great room is perfect for workout space, office, or a cozy reading nook. The windows have new screens. The carpet has also been updated. Spaces flow easily throughout this home. You will love that this unit includes a laundry space. The stackable washer and dryer also convey. The primary bedroom offers an ensuite bath, updated carpet, updated paint and a walk-in closet. The shower head, toilet, exhaust fan light have all been replaced in this ensuite bath. It has also been regrouted and recaulked. The second bedroom also offers newer carpet and fresh paint. In the hall bath, the toilet and shower head have been replaced. This bath has also been recaulked and regrouted. Throughout the home, you will find refinished floors, updated paint, and updated lighting. Call today to schedule your tour of 376 Merrimac Trail Unit 224. It won't be on the market long.